Unveiling Culinary Secrets, Tenderize with a Rub. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning through everyday phrases. Today, we're exploring a deliciously intriguing phrase, tenderize with a rub. This is a common expression in cooking and culinary arts. If you love food or cooking, this is for you. Let's unravel the meaning behind this phrase and how it applies both in the kitchen and metaphorically in language. Stay tuned to become a pro at using it. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts, tenderize and with a rub. To tenderize means to make something, usually meat, softer or more tender. This can involve various techniques, including the use of physical tools, chemical marinades, or a combination of methods to break down the meat's toughness, making it easier to chew and digest. With a rub refers to the method of applying a mixture of spices and seasonings onto the surface of the meat. This blend, known as a rub, often contains salt, herbs, and spices tailored to enhance the flavor of the meat. But it's not just about flavor. The rub can also play a crucial role in the tenderizing process, especially when it includes ingredients like salt or paprika that can naturally break down meat fibers. Now, how do these two concepts come together in the kitchen? Tenderizing with a rub is an art that marries flavor enhancement with the physical tenderization of meat. Here's how it works. 1. Choosing your rub. The first step is selecting a rub that complements the type of meat you're working with. This could range from a simple salt and pepper blend to more elaborate mixes with garlic powder, onion powder, and dried herbs. 2. Applying the rub. Once you've chosen your rub, the next step is to generously coat the surface of your meat with it. This is where the term, with a rub, comes into play. You literally rub the seasoning blend onto the meat, ensuring it's evenly covered. 3. The tenderizing magic. After applying the rub, some cooks like to let the meat sit for a while before cooking. During this time, the salt in the rub draws moisture to the surface of the meat, where it mixes with the rub and then gets reabsorbed. This process not only flavors the meat deeply but also helps in tenderizing it, making it juicier and more tender when cooked. Interestingly, the concept of tenderize with a rub can extend beyond the kitchen into more metaphorical uses. In language, it can describe the process of making a situation less tense or difficult, often through careful preparation or by adding elements that soften the impact of what is coming. Just as a rub prepares and enhances meat for a delicious meal, thoughtful preparation and the right approach can make challenging tasks or conversations more manageable and palatable. We hope you've enjoyed this flavorful journey into the phrase, tenderize with a rub. It's a wonderful example of how culinary terms can enrich our language, providing vivid metaphors for various aspects of life. Whether you're in the kitchen experimenting with spices or navigating the complexities of communication, remembering the principles of tenderizing with a rub can lead to more tender, flavorful outcomes. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking and speaking!